Hey, how's it going? My name is Manny, and thanks a lot for checking out this video. And if you are in the automotive industry selling cars, either as a product advisor or perhaps you're on the management team and would like to know a little bit more about how to create video content and utilize that video content to reach out to potential customers, I'm actually going to be putting together a series of videos that are going to address some of the different topics or subjects within video content creation. Things like, how to make you look good, how to make you sound good with the equipment that you have, what sort of equipment you should be striving for, the types of tools that are available to you, what types of videos you would want to build, and of course, how to apply them, because it's not as easy as posting up on your YouTube channel and just getting sales from that video. So if you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, please feel free to follow me here, but more importantly, subscribe to the new YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link below. It's a much more organized platform, so if you sort of want to go back to a specific subject, you can search through the different playlists. If you're not familiar with me, then you're probably wondering, why would I even want to bother spending my time with this guy? Well, just to give you a little bit of background, I've been a long-time sales representative and a former internet director, so I do have some experience with connecting people online. I'm also an award-winning content creator, and I've had the great pleasure of being a short-term host for the Ontario Toyota Dealers Association. So if you want to check out that stuff, I'm going to leave some links below as well. So it's up to you. I would like to share some of the knowledge that I have, and hopefully that will help you leapfrog past some of the pitfalls and growing pains that I went through when I got started with creating videos. So that way you can just hit the floor running and ultimately create better relationships in the digital world. I'm pumped for sharing this information with you guys, but I can only take it so far. Let me know by giving the thumbs up, share it with other colleagues in the industry, leave comments below. It's really helpful. That sort of signals to me that you guys are enjoying the content. And with that, here's my question to you guys. How much experience do you have when it comes to creating videos? So depending on the feedback that I get from you from this video, I think I may just start with getting you to look good in front of the camera. Thanks a lot, guys, for your time. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the comments section. Take care.